What does the scientific method have to do with relationships? For 20 years, my clients have been asking me, both corporate and personal side, what's the number one way to improve relationships? Well, I've done some research. PhDs, Dr. John Gottman, Brené Brown, Harvard Business Review, all summarize it that say to give honest and sincere appreciation is the number one thing that we can do. Well, then we have to experiment. So I invite you to join in this step as well. There are three components to help us to improve those relationships. The first is an attribute, talent, positive quality that a person chose. Second is what's the specific way that they applied or demonstrated it? And third, what's the impact either to you, to the team, to them, or to their future? So invite you to join along on this step as well. You might start with a positive quality. For example, you may say, you are thorough. For example, how you research and prepared for the offsite resulted in engagement and success for the team. Or you might start with the event. For example, saying, honey, thank you so much for organizing our home office. I'm so much more productive. You are really thoughtful. Or you start with the impact that it's going to have to them. You might say to your kid, I know you're going to succeed in college because you've got self-discipline. For example, how you bring that getting up early and lifting weights and eating right. Those qualities are going to help you to be successful. So try these yourself as well. Remember positive quality, specific example they demonstrated it, and the impact to them, to you, or to others. Hope you'll find that giving appreciation makes you a better person too.